I have in my hand the DJI Mic. This is the wireless microphone system that has come out. This is nothing new, but it's new to me. It was suggested. I've been looking for a dual channel, dual recording wireless kit for a while, and DJI came out with that. And here it is in all of its splendor. The lid kind of flops down, so I am holding it up. So there it is. We have two actual wireless microphones and we have a wireless transmitter. Now, dropping everything in here, it comes like that to us. Basically, it's already synced up and ready to go. One of the things that drew my attention to this product was the fact that you are able to connect it to your smartphone with ease and simplicity. Now, I've tried it out on the Android. I'm gonna go ahead and try it out live with you guys here today with the iPhone. I brought my iPhone out. I also want to go ahead and connect it with a lav mic to see how that sounds using it as just an external recording device. And it's what this video is all about. This is $329. This is by no means the most expensive system out there, but it is not the cheapest either. And DJI is known to make some pretty good stuff. So what it comes down to it is, what can I use this for? How does it sound? And how many times can I actually use this in my workflow? And that's how I'm going to figure out how this product here has value to me in my life. First thing I want to do is I want to go ahead and test it out with the Android phone. So right here, I have my Galaxy Z Fold 4. We're going to go ahead and activate the screen record so you can see what I'm seeing along the way. So we're going to open this up. Transmitter, I already have the USB-C already connected. One thing I do want to share is when this is already there and it's connected, you still have room. They make it so you can put the case in there with the adapter on. You don't have to take the adapter off and put it back into its designated home in order to put it back in. You can put the transmitter back in with the adapter on it, pull it out really easy, super cool. So now we're going to take one of these out. We're gonna plug this in right here. Pretty simple, right? Now, I'm gonna go ahead, double click to activate my camera because that's how I do it. So I'm gonna go ahead and hit record. And this says right here, recording audio through USB mic. Right now it is recording audio through USB mic. Now I'm gonna go ahead and hit the record button on the side here. Vibrates, you hear it vibrate in the recording. Now I'm recording another backup on the actual device itself. Not only is this being used to pump audio into my phone, it is recording a backup on the actual physical device, which is pretty cool. Now let's go ahead and hear the audio without the DJI wireless mic system attached to it. This is the microphone, the onboard Z Fold 4 microphone. And now we're gonna go ahead and switch it out really quick. All right, so we're gonna push this out, tuck this away back into its home. There we go. Now we're gonna go ahead and pull the lightning one out. It's really easy, there's little arrows on it. It says push in. It says push in. It's pretty easy. Hopefully the camera caught it. You push until you feel it lock in place. Hear a little bit of a little click, a little snap. So now we've got that. We're gonna pull our transmitter out. So this way we know to get our backup off of this one. I don't wanna goof it up by doing it multiple different ways. So I haven't tried it with the iPhone yet, so let's hope it works easy peasy. I'm gonna come over here to the video. We're gonna put that there. Did anything pop up? Any sort of... So you gotta do anything on an iPhone to get the audio to work? I don't think so. All right, so we're recording the iPhone so you can see that. Recording directly to the device with the microphone. So we are recording directly to the device with the microphone. We're gonna go ahead, hit record, we hear the vibrate, and we know that it's recording. So now we are doing an on-device backup of the recording, as well as recording directly into the iPhone itself. So this is the DJI wireless mic. Let's go ahead and see how the iPhone sounds just by its native microphone. This is the iPhone microphone all by itself. iPhone microphone all by itself. This is the iPhone microphone all by it. That's like a big difference right away. That's a big difference. What do you guys think? Head down to the comments, let me know. Would you spend $329 on this device? If you would, I got a link in the description that you can go ahead and click. Supporting that link, making the purchase through my Amazon affiliate link supports me because I'm broke, and it supports this channel. And if you buy more things through my links, I can buy more stuff for you guys. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, hit the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button twice. Either way, everybody's gonna like this video if you like it. If you want to see more of this video, you want to see more videos with me in it, like, comment, subscribe, all the algorithm goodness. Till next time, for the love of tech, namaste.